Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Simple living room decorating ideas focus on creating a space that is comfortable, functional, and inviting without being overly cluttered or complicated. By embracing minimalist principles and incorporating thoughtful design elements, you can transform your living room into a serene and stylish retreat that reflects your personal style and enhances your daily life. One approach to simple living room decorating is to start with a neutral color palette. Opting for soft, muted tones such as white, beige, or light gray creates a calm and soothing atmosphere while providing a versatile backdrop for layering textures and accents. This minimalist color scheme allows you to experiment with different decor elements without overwhelming the space. When it comes to furniture, choose pieces that are both comfortable and practical. Invest in a comfortable sofa or sectional that provides ample seating for your family and guests, and opt for a coffee table or ottoman that doubles as a functional centerpiece and storage solution. Consider incorporating multipurpose furniture such as nesting tables or modular shelving units to maximize space and flexibility in your living room layout. Incorporating natural elements can add warmth and visual interest to your living room decor. Consider adding indoor plants to bring a touch of greenery into the space and improve air quality, or incorporate wooden accents such as coffee tables, side tables, or shelving units to add warmth and texture. Natural materials such as rattan, jute, or bamboo can also be used to add visual interest and create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. When it comes to accessories and decor, less is often more in a simple living room design. Choose a few statement pieces such as artwork, decorative mirrors, or textured throw pillows to add personality and style to the space, but avoid overcrowding surfaces with too many knickknacks or trinkets. Finally, don't forget about lighting when decorating your living room. Natural light is ideal for creating a bright and airy atmosphere, so consider maximizing natural light sources with sheer curtains or blinds. Supplement natural light with ambient lighting options such as floor lamps, table lamps, or pendant lights to create a warm and inviting glow that enhances the overall ambience of the space. In conclusion, simple living room decorating ideas focus on creating a space that is comfortable, functional, and visually appealing without being overly complicated or cluttered. By embracing minimalist principles, incorporating natural elements, and carefully selecting furniture and decor, you can create a serene and stylish living room that reflects your personal style and enhances your daily life.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!